Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and this is my early morning improvement today. I'm at the end of my CNC with my conveyor belt feeding onto my edgebander. Now you'll notice I've got these nice and close together. I like to be able to pull stuff off and go right into the edgebander. Previously on this corner here, I had this guy here on top of this. And that worked good. It'd support our parts and it was movable. The problem was it's directional. And so if it was turned a little bit, as the part would go in, it would create struggle at the fence over here, pull off the fence, and would require some work. And then it had a square corner that was in the way all the time. So we made this new guy here, and we just cut out a piece of melamine, and I screwed on. These are those ball rollers from Harbor Freight. And so now when I walk by, I'm open here. It sticks out a little bit farther, so we got a little bit more support with it, but it's not directional. It can move, the part can move anywhere on it. I got pretty good at that one, and I said, you know what, I need another one here on the fence. And so this morning I did this one. So what's really nice now is I can pull a part off. As it comes off the conveyor belt on the CNC, I can pull it and I can rotate it into position and be ready to feed it through the edgebander with almost zero struggle. A little quick feedback on this. I used this all day yesterday, ran 35 sheets of material through the CNC and the edgebander. Made a couple little improvements, put a little notch there, and then I moved where some of the rollers were just to have it to where my outside fence was less than 12 inches. So, because I had some 12-inch parts and it was just, it wasn't feeling it. But the really nice thing about it, this little added foot of extension right here, so I can put stuff like 4-foot stuff before, I would have struggle. It'd be coming off the table here and we're rolling it in. And now it slides right into the machine without any issue. And it'll, like I said, that's a 48-inch piece there, and it's barely on the table. Before that would take 2 hands to operate, and now it just slides on nice and easy with 1 hand. So if you don't have a setup like this on the end of your edgebander, spend a few bucks and make it happen. It'll make your life much easier. If you're an Amazon shopper, they've got these on Amazon in a kit. I don't know, they're like 30 bucks for 16 of them. It's a pretty good deal, delivered right to your door. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description if you want to get some and do your own project.